Everybody, it's me, Miss Norris. You want to see something cool? Of course you do. Down here, I have a pan of water, and I'm going to take this container of pepper, and I'm going to shake some on the surface. And what you don't know is that this is not just any ordinary pepper. This is scaredy cat pepper. And I'm going to show you. It's not scared of everything. It's just scared of me sometimes. So, I'm going to show you first the pepper not being scared, and then I'm going to show you how to scare it away, and then I'm going to show you the secret ingredient. So, down here, you can see I put pepper on the top of the water. I'm going to take my finger, and I'm going to touch it. And nothing happens except for I get my finger peppery and dirty. So I'm going to wipe that off. And now I'm going to dip my finger in the secret ingredient. Are you ready? Look at it. It's running away. Be afraid of me, Pepper. And that, my friends, is how you scare Pepper. Now you can do this at home too. All you need is a pan with some water, some pepper. The magic ingredient is something we've been all doing for a while now, and that's washing our hands. All my secret ingredient was 1 drop of dish soap. I hope you try this at home. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.